Welcome to our channel. In today's video, we will be exploring some beautiful and unique candle holder designs that will add warmth and ambience to your home decor. Whether you are looking to create a cozy atmosphere or add a touch of elegance to your space, we have got you covered. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon to stay updated with our latest videos. Let's dive in. Before we delve into the candle holder design ideas, let's talk about the importance of candle holders in enhancing your home decor. Candle holders are not only provide a safe and stable base of your candles but also serve as decorative accents that can elevate the overall aesthetic of your space. We will discuss how candle holders can create a cozy ambience at a focal point and reflect your personal style. Glass candle holders. Glass candle holders are a classic and versatile option that can suit various decor styles. We will showcase different glass and candle holder designs, including hurricane holders, votive holders, and glass lanterns. Discover how glass candle holders can create an elegant and enchanting atmosphere while allowing the beautiful glow of the candlelight to shine through. Like candle holders, if you are a fan of do-it-yourself projects, our next segment for you, we will share some creative and budget-friendly die candle holder ideas that you can make at home. From repurposing glass jars and wine bottles to crafting unique holders with natural materials like wood and twine, these die candle holders will add a personal touch to your decor and ignite your creativity. Metal candle holders. Metal candle holders offer a touch of sophistication and can make a statement in your home decor. We will explore different metal candle holders such as geometric shaped candelabras and wall mounted holders. Discover how metal candle holders can add a touch of elegance, create interesting shadows, and complement various interior styles. Candle holders centerpieces. If you are looking for ways to enhance your table setting or create stunning centerpieces, our next design idea focus on candle holder centerpieces. We will showcase different arrangements using candle holders, flowers, greenery, and other decorative elements. Learn how to create captivating focal point that will impress your guests during dinner parties or special occasions. That's wrap up our candle holder ideas video. We hope these ideas have inspired you to create incorporate candle holders into your home decor and create a warm and inviting atmosphere. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends, and don't forget to leave a comment below letting us know which candle holder idea resonated with you the most. Thanks for watching. We will see you in the next video. Remember to subscribe to our channel for more inspiring home decor content. Until next time, happy decorating and enjoying the beautiful glow of the candlelight.